So have you ever wondered why fresh eggs are so hard to peel? Because fresh eggs are so acidic, they have a lot of dissolved carbon dioxide that they are releasing. But as they age, it becomes less acidic. I'm bringing this to a rolling boil and drop them in. I'm gonna let these boil for about 10 minutes. And another thing with fresh eggs, one thing that will help them to peel better is to put a little bit of baking soda in the water. It won't affect the flavor of your eggs at all. You're gonna make sure that you have them totally covered. As long as they're covered and as long as you start with boiling water, you're gonna be fine. So I'm gonna let this go for about 10 minutes. And in the meantime, I'm gonna make an ice bath for the eggs. So I'm gonna put the eggs straight into this ice as soon as they are finished. I'm gonna add a little bit of water to this, but the heat of the eggs is gonna make my ice melt quickly. So I'm gonna go ahead and have that ready right here. I'm going to boil the eggs for about 10 minutes. So I'm gonna add them straight in to my ice water, and that's gonna cool them down quickly. But another trick to this is to leave them in the ice water for about 10 minutes. So you're looking at about 20 minutes of time before you have your boiled eggs. All right, I'm gonna let them rest for a minute and then I'll be right back. It's been 10 minutes, so here is the moment of truth. All right, here we go. So the method is to crack it all over the entire shell. Get it nice and cracked, okay? All right, let's check this out. Here we go, here we go. All right, look at that. All right, well, there we go. Beautiful, beautiful. All right. Yep, this is working. Okay, so now I'm going to rinse them off and I'm going to dry them off, okay? I'm going to bring over the plate and I'm going to cut into them and I'm gonna see what is happening. All right, let's cut in to this and see how this is looking. Oh, it's a beautiful, beautiful, fantastic. If I was making like egg salad, I might want them to go another minute or two. So I might let them go maybe 12 minutes. This will change based on how fast your stovetop boils, but this 10-minute one is absolutely perfect for any kind of salad that I might ever want, or even to put in my ramen noodles. You can find the full recipe on my website in the link below.